Hey guys, Sean here. Just wanted to give you a very quick rundown of what the portion of Get Gift Card does in conjunction with the blacklist that is checked at the very start. So, as you all know, in the body we have this portion for you to protect yourself against abusers, and you can add in the ref IDs, order ID, email address, the Amazon hash email, or the Amazon address line one. And basically what it's going to do is it's automatically going to be adding itself to the blacklist. And the blacklist is something that's going to be checked at the very start of the flow. So essentially, if you have the ref ID to protect yourself from abusers being email, the Amazon hashed email, or the Amazon address line one. What this means is that the user will no longer be able to get a rebate. And if he gets this far, he'll only be getting an email for the old gift card. However, if it's the order ID, you're actually able to rebate the user again. I hope that helps and let me know if you have any questions.